In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate a background in an image. For example, this is an image that I have removed the background. It was having a background before, but I've removed it and I want to use AI to generate a very clear background for this. So let me select the image, go to edit, and I have the feature BG generator, which is going to be the one to generate the background. Now you have selected it. You can define what background do you want to generate with AI, or you can ask the AI to inspire me if you wanted to just generate an arbitrary background. So let me try that, and you can see it has given me a completely different prompt that can generate the background that we are going to add for this image. So I'm just going to go ahead and say generate. Let's just give this some seconds to see what kind of background it is going to generate for us. You can see it fantastically. It has generated 4 different backgrounds that you can click to have a preview of what you have. And if you like it, you can just go ahead and say done, or generate again, or you can go ahead and regenerate another one again to see another version of it. Alternatively, you can decide to say let it generate, go back to this and say generate a background. Let the background be a sea. Okay. All right, so we can just go ahead and click, and it's going to scan through and change the background to a sea. Or depending on whatever choice that you have, you can as well generate the background for it. All right, now you can see it has generated the background in the form of a sea. It has changed everything, and now we have a sea as our background. So you're free to download this by going to share, go to download, and then you specify the format. I go with PNG and then current page. And then you can go to download, and now you have downloaded your image with a new background. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.